This is a very serious medication, and it must at all times be administered by a medical professional with a background in interventional cardiology, supported by a nursing team that can deliver the administration of atropine to stabilize the heart's rhythm if it goes out of whack during the course of treatment. The other important thing to know is, though that risk exists, it can be fully and completely mitigated by the co-administration of magnesium, a methodology that the best practice clinics in Mexico, had the privilege of going to two. The first was previously mentioned, which is Ambio south of Tijuana, and the other is called Beyond, and it is in Cancun.
B-E-O-N.
B-E-O-N-D.
B-E-O-N-D.
Yes, sir. Both of those clinics utilize the co-administration of magnesium in order to prevent the development of torsades. I explain all this to say to your audience, do not, under any circumstances, try to order Ibogaine online for self-administration. Do not free venture out into the world looking for any old clinic. Be very careful and selective. There are informational websites. One is maintained by a lady by the name of Juliana Mulligan called Intervision Ibogaine, which has a list of providers. As I said, I have been to both Ambio and Beyond. They are clinical operations that adhere to the absolute best, highest standards of safety. And you want to make sure, if you have a family member, that you're sending them to a place that recognizes that Ibogaine is the very best possible beginning that you can give an individual to restore their lives in the aftermath of the devastation associated with addiction. You want to make sure that the clinical staff is comprised of highly credentialed physicians, nurses with intensive care background and certification who are also believers in the advancement of this particular medication and who also have experience with it. It needs to be delivered within a supportive therapeutic environment whereby you are within a community that is connected to your humanity, where you have the ability to receive services that heal your mind, your body, and most importantly, your soul.
Amen.
And it can actually be done.